Hi guys, this is Eunji. I'm an illustrator. Today I'm going to unbox the Wacom Cintiq 16 and talk about my thoughts on it. I've been waiting for this for a long time. I ordered this from Amazon Canada and it took 3 weeks to get delivered because it was out of stock. So I had to be on the waiting list, but here it is. I'm very excited to review this. This is my first Cintiq, so I can't compare this with other Cintiq models, but I've been using my iPad Pro 2nd generation for my digital art, so you will hear me comparing this Cintiq 16 with iPad Pro. To set this up, you need to connect this to your computer with the 3-in-1 cable that's in the box. My iMac doesn't have an HDMI port, so I had to get this external USB-C hub that has HDMI port. Setting up the driver was easy and simple. You can simply download it from Wacom's website, install it on your computer. I had no issues with it. And now all the cables are connected and it's good to go. First thing I noticed was the display quality. It's not really bright and the colors look a bit yellowish tinted, but you can adjust the brightness and color temperatures and stuff to your preference. I have a 5K monitor iMac and I'm going to use that as my primary monitor to check color accuracy while I'm drawing on this Cintiq 16. If you have an extra monitor that you can check colors with, I think it's totally fine. The pen is great. It's light and the grip feels really good. I can see some parallax on the tip of the nib, but it doesn't really bother me at all, even though I'm used to almost zero parallax from iPad Pro and Apple Pencil. And I love the texture of the screen. Compared to the glossy, slippery iPad Pro screen, it feels really comfortable, like drawing on paper. The fact that it doesn't have express keys on the side is not a problem for me, because I'm used to using my keyboard anyways. And I personally like how it is cleanly designed without express keys on the side. As you guys might know, this is Wacom's most affordable pen display monitor yet, but it might still be expensive for some people. It's around $840 in Canadian dollars on Amazon Canada with free shipping. And you have to purchase that stand separately, which will cost you another $100. And Cintiq 16 doesn't come with a lot of accessories like other models. The little pen holder that you can stick into the Cintiq, and these 3 extra nibs, and that's it. But I think it's good enough. Overall, I love it. If you need a quality pen display monitor and would rather pay less money for not having all these fancy features like touchscreen or built-in SD card slot, Cintiq 16 is perfect. As I mentioned before, I've been using my iPad Pro and Apple Pencil to create digital art. I still love my iPad and I'll keep using it for sure because it's portable and you can use Procreate, which is one of the most amazing drawing apps. I just needed a bigger screen to work on because my iPad is only 10.5 inch, and I personally think Cintiq feels more comfortable to use when I draw in Photoshop. I hope you guys enjoyed my review. If you did, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!